Hello again, welcome to my channel. Continue with my daughter's birthday. So today I'm gonna show you how to decorate the red velvet cake I made for her with the white chocolate ganache. So I didn't make the recipe for the cake, I already have it in my channel, but it's in Arabic, so I will try to make another video of it if you want in English. But I have video in my channel how to make a red velvet cake. It's just different decoration, but in this one I'm just gonna concentrate on the how I made the decoration with the white chocolate ganache. So you can see here as I have all the videos of all that stuff as I have on the table. If you want to check it out, I have it in my channel. So straight away I'm gonna do the cream. It's 250 grams of mascarpone. So I just beat it a little bit, just so it will be easier to mix when I put the double cream. So I added 600 grams of double cream, because it's a 6-layer cake, so I needed a lot of cream. But I'm just gonna put the cream in the middle. So I put 200 grams as well of icing sugar. As you can see, this is the cake, so I made 3 cakes, red velvet cakes, and I cut each one half, so that's 6 layers in total. So I already put the first layer and I put the cream. As I said, the cream is double cream and mascarpone and 200 grams of icing sugar and vanilla extract. So each layer I just put a little bit of cold milk just to make it a little bit more moist. You don't have to do that, I just like to make it like wet. So because it's 6 layers, as I said, so I didn't want to have the video very long, so I just shorten it up. Like, it's the same thing. As you can see, each layer I add the cake and I add the cream. As I said, the other video I have how to make the cream in all the details and the red velvet, but I will try to do it in English as well, inshallah. So keep going with the layers. So I'm using this metal thing that can keep the cake straight, just to make sure that I'm going straight with it. And the more layers I add, I just remove it and add it to the top, as you can see, so that the cake will be level. If you're comfortable with the leveling, you don't need to do that. So this is all the layers, so I'm just gonna try to fix it a little bit. As I said, the cream I just put in the middle, and I'm gonna cover it with the chocolate ganache. So after that, I'm just gonna put it in the fridge just to sit a little bit, so it will be easy to add the ganache. So the ganache, I had a lot of ganache here. I have 600 grams of double cream and 1 kg 200 grams of white chocolate. As you can see, it's quite a lot, because I have to do like 2-3 layers. So the main thing is the chocolate is double the amount of the cream. So if you're making 300 grams of cream, it's 600 grams of chocolate, and so on. So I'm gonna put the cream on the microwave to make it hot, and then add the white chocolate so that it can melt. So if it stays runny after adding the amount of chocolate, you can add more chocolate to it if it's like too runny, because the first layer I made, it was a little bit runnier, so it was hard to put. And then I just added more chocolate to it and just keep mixing it until it's thickened. So I'm using the white chocolate ganache because in the end I'm gonna add a little bit of purple to it. There you have it. So I put it in the fridge to cool down a little bit, but it wasn't sitting properly, so I added more chocolate to it. So then it became a little bit more thicker, and it was like easier to apply to the cake. So the first layer, as I said, it was a little bit thick, so I added more chocolate. As you can see now, it's so much easier to spread around the cake, as you can see. So we just keep going. So I added this layer, and then I added another layer after that, so that the cake itself doesn't show at all from underneath the chocolate. So this is how it's supposed to be, like spreadable. It's easy to work with, and of course it tastes really nice. But if you don't like too much sweetness, then you don't add the ganache, because I already, as I said, have a cake from last year, because my daughter loves red velvet. So even for her last birthday, I made her a red velvet cake. So, and this time I thought, let me change the decoration. So if you want just a red velvet cake with the mascarpone cake, cream, that's delicious itself. So I'm just gonna keep trying to level it, and then I'm just gonna do this so it can straighten up, and also to give it a nice finish. So just keep going until you have the finish that you want. So now I put the cake to cool down in the fridge, and I'm gonna add a little bit of purple to the rest of the ganache. And just with the spatula, I'm just gonna add a little bit of color around the cake. I'm just gonna try to press it to the cake. And then with this one, different one that has like a teeth to it, so I'm just gonna press it. Just make sure that so that you can have a clear lines, just make sure that you press it like into the ganache, as you can see, so it can show the lines and it can separate the color, as you can see here. So after the ganache is dried, yeah, and I just decorated it with fresh flowers, purple. I just added here some leaves as well. Just simple decoration really. I didn't want to put too much things, but yeah, so I just put like purple and roses and stuff like that, purple flowers, and just a little bit of leaves to the side. I mean, I finished that when in the birthday day itself in the morning. And lastly, I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter, of course. I've been adding glitter to everything in this birthday, really. I love glitter. So I'm just gonna add the glitter on top of the flowers. And that's it, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, I will try to make another video with the red velvet cake, inshallah, very soon. And as you can see here, that's how it looks from the inside. Hope you like the video, and I will hope to see you again soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.